it's so great to be here, guys, at Pizza Paradise. Ooh, we finally get a break to come out and, get some pizza. So, what did you guys want? I've checked out the menu. Um, it looks like they have a really good soju, the meat lovers. I love that. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot, Miss Karen, you don't eat meat. So, and I think Miss Gokcha, you're not having meat either. So Miss Marjan and I will have the meat on one half, and then you guys can have veggie. They have like green peppers, mushrooms. How does that sound? Okay, good. But what do you mean, Miss Karen, that you don't know what halves are? Halves like fractions. Anyway, let's place our order, and I'll explain it to you. Pecan is.
Hello ladies, are you ready to order?
Yes, we are.
Yes.
So we would like a pizza with half meat lovers, so
Half meat lovers, sujuk.
and then half vegetarian, half veggie pizza.
Half veggie. Okay.
Yeah, you
Is
got
that
it?
all?
Yep, that's all.
Okay.
Here's the menu.
Okay. One pizza coming up.
Thanks. So, here's the deal. Miss Karen. When you're doing fractions, you're thinking about, first you have a whole thing. Like I'm gonna have a whole circle. So here's one whole circle. You see that? Now, if I cut it down the middle, then I'd have one half. One half. Miss Karen, can you hold on to that for me? So, if you had like an orange and you cut the orange in the middle and then you gave half to Miss Gokche, then you each would have one half. Then if you took the half, like if you took this half and you put it into two parts, you'd have a fourth, because in our circle you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, which would make 1/4. Like that. 1/4. So, the thing with fractions also is they have to be equal. So, with the whole, when we cut it into halves, you see that those two parts are equal. I can show you with these fraction rods. Here is one whole, which I forgot to show you what that looks like. One whole. And then, you can hold on to that. If I took the whole and broke it into two equal parts, that would be a half. So let's put those there. Then if I took the half and broke it into 4, or I took the whole and broke it into fourths, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 4 equal parts, and those are 1/4. So you're going to have half a veggie pizza, but because we're 4 people, it's going to be like these yellow ones. Okay, this would be your piece, this would be Miss Gokche's, this would be my piece of my half of meat lovers, and this would be Miss Marjan's. You'll see when the pizza comes. So, those are fractions. You have a whole, a half, and 1/4.
Okay, that is your pizza.
Ooh, I'm so hungry. Let's have a look at that delicious pizza. Oh my goodness, look at that, and they got it exactly right. We have half meat lovers and half veggie with the mushrooms and the peppers. I cannot wait. So, Afetosan. Here, Miss Karen, from the half, that's your part, 1/4. So Miss Gokche. Don't want to forget Miss Marjan. And this is my piece. Some of those. So, bon appetit. So good. Take a bite, Miss Marjan. Don't be shy. Miss Gokche, enjoy your veggie pizza. And Miss Karen, of course. Don't you love to eat fractions? I love to eat fractions. So yeah, that's delicious. I'm just gonna take your pieces one more time and show our whole pizza. And here's half. It's equal, which is only fair. You wouldn't want to have like a teeny little piece as your half, so they have to be the same size. So there's veggie, there's the meat lovers, and here are fourths. So everybody got a piece. Look at that yummy, yummy sausage. All right, enjoy it. Oh, hold on, somebody's calling. Hello? Miss Perrin? Yes, of course. Oh, you're at the Pilates class with Miss Elliott, with Miss Gorgeous? We'll get you a pizza. Okay, just one whole margarita pizza. Fantastic. It'll be coming right up. We'll bring it to you. All right, bye. So there you have fractions. I hope you enjoyed it.